The introduction of statement pattern. So today we are going to start statement pattern only. ठीक है, whatever I have given the introduction, I am going to revise now also. Just pay attention. 19 students have joined, but those who are not joining, those who are not attending the class, please inform them also to attend the class. Inform your friends also to attend the class. So in statement pattern, I have written here also statement pattern. ठीक है? In statement pattern, I explained to you that one statement is formed by joining logical connectives. ठीक है? अब logical connectives को join करके जो statement form किया जाता है, it is known as statement pattern. So in this we have to solve the truth value of the statement pattern. Statement pattern की हमें truth value solve करनी है. Okay. So as negation is not included in logical connective, but here we have to consider it as connective only, and when we'll make the table you have to count it. ठीक है? अच्छा, I explain to you what is M and what is N. Okay, M क्या होता है, N क्या होता है. It is given in your book also. According taking M and N, you have to make the truth table. Okay, truth table बनाना है statement pattern का. किरण, वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है, कनेक्टिविटी इशू होगा बेटा. Rest all of you audible and video is clear. Just give me the indication. Am I audible? Okay, and video is clear. Okay, so we can start doing the sums now. Okay, so first of all, what I said that M is equals to, that is number of statements. How many statements are given, that will be M, and generally there will be 2 or 3 or 4 statements. In your book the statement pattern is not given. ठीक है, statement pattern में हमें 3 statements का ही solve करना है, either 2 और 3 से ज़्यादा का statement pattern नहीं दिया हुआ है. 1 और 2 questions में PQRS दिया था. PQRS that means 4 statements हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, but उसमें हमें truth value find नहीं करनी थी, लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स यूज करके नहीं करना है. सो इट मीन्स आइदर 2 और 3. यू हैव टू मेक द टेबल फॉर 2 or 3 statements. Okay, so either M will be 2 or M will be 3. That means number of statements. And N means number of logical connectives. N means number of logical connectives. Okay, so if the logical connectives are repeated, you have to count that also. Okay, this is the way given in your book, but according to me, if you will not go according to this way, M और N को प्लस करके हम पहले से फाइंड कर लें कि कितने नंबर ऑफ रोज बन रहे हैं, कितने नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स बन रहे हैं. एक्चुअली M और N किसके लिए है, ये फाइंड करने के लिए कि कितने नंबर ऑफ रोज बनेंगे और कितनी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स बनेंगे. ओके, लाइक M और N को जब हम ऐड करते हैं, so that will give you the number of columns. Number of columns is equals to M plus N. Is it clear? Number of columns will be M plus N and number of rows will be. ठीक है, अब जैसे हमने 2 स्टेटमेंट्स का पहले भी ट्रुथ टेबल बना चुके हैं. ओके, तो उसमें हमने नंबर ऑफ रोज जो बनाए थे that was 4. ओके, सो हेयर देर आर 3. अगर 2 होते हैं तो फिर तो 4 ही रोज बनेंगी. ओके, और अगर 3 स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं सो देयर विल बी 8 रोज. ओके, सो यू कैन टेक दैट 2 to the power M. नंबर ऑफ रोज इज इक्वल्स टू 2 to the power M. Okay, number of rows is equals to 2 to the power M. Clear? So like there are if there are 2 statements, you can take 2 to the power 2, so number of rows will be 4. If there are 3 statements, you will take 2 to the power 3, the number of rows will be 8. Okay, तो या तो 4 होंगी या 8 होंगे, क्योंकि हमें either 2 or 3 इनका ही सॉल्व करना है स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ दिस इज वॉट गिवन इन योर बुक. बट इसको अगर हम उतना ध्यान नहीं भी रखें, बस 2 और 3 का टेबल कैसे बनाना है इतना भी याद रख लें, तो इजीली यू कैन मेक द टेबल फॉर द स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न. ओके, अब पहले से हम ये नहीं निकालें कि कितने नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स बन रहे हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न यू कैन गो ऑन मेकिंग द कॉलम्स. क्लियर? So we'll just see the question, so it will be clear to you how to make the truth table of statement pattern. But this is what you have to remember. ये ध्यान देना है, याद नहीं रखोगे it's okay, but M and N क्या होता है ये पता होना चाहिए. ओके, so exercise 1.6 question number 1, first one is given to you. You have to make the truth table, okay, of the given statement pattern. जो statement pattern दिया है उसका हमें क्या बनाना है? truth table बनाना है. So the first one is P implies negation P disjunction Q. Okay, P implies negation P disjunction Q. This is what the statement pattern given to you. Okay, Khushi, it is blur. Okay, Harsh also. Okay, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, it will be clear. ओके, वो कनेक्टिविटी के कारण कभी ब्लर होता है, कभी क्लियर हो जाता है. ओके, एंड एज आई सेड दैट आई एम गिविंग यू द वीडियोज ऑल्सो. संकल्प, गुड मॉर्निंग. आई एम गिविंग यू द वीडियोज ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन वीडियोज रेफर करके उसको रिवाइज कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो हियर आर 2 स्टेटमेंट्स, पी और क्यू, 2 ही स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. इसका मतलब नंबर ऑफ रोज विल बी 4, जैसा हमने पहले किए थे सेम मैनर नंबर ऑफ रोज विल बी 4. ओके, सो हियर फर्स्ट P and then Q, you will write down like this. पहले लिखोगे P and then you will write down Q. Okay, P की पूरी possibilities as we have done before, that is कि जो combinations है उसकी possibilities कितनी होंगी, है ना. probabilities अगर 2 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं तो 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती हैं, TT, FF, TF और FT. सो सेम मैनर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर अगर 2 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं तो. ओके, सो व्हाट वाज द पैटर्न वी हैव डन बिफोर? दैट वाज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल TT एंड देन FF, देन TF एंड देन TF. Like this we have written before also. Now also you have to do the same thing, that is TT, FF, TF, TF. Is it clear? ठीक है, like this you have to write down first of all. Now ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हैं हम कि कितने कॉलम्स बनेंगे. As I said that N means number of logical connectives. So 1, 2, 3 are there. Okay, so M plus M, M कितना है? 2 है. 2 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, 3 लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स हैं. M plus 3 plus 2, that is 5. Got? Okay, so Mesh, correct, 5. So there will be 5 number of columns. Okay, ऐसा लिख करना है तो पहले कर लो 5 number of columns. Otherwise you can make the columns according to the pattern which is given to you. Okay, अब हमें चाहिए क्या क्या है वो देखते हैं. This is in bracket. So first of all you have to solve the bracket inside whatever is given. It is negation P. So first of all make the column for negation P. ओके, नेगेशन P का पहले कॉलम बना लो. नाउ नेगेशन P का अपोजिट हो जाएगा, दैट इज T विल बी F, T विल बी F, F becomes T, F becomes T. This will be the column for negation P. तो सबसे पहले हमने negation P बना लिए. Is it clear? Now make this one. हम पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, then these two we have to solve. Okay, whatever statement is given accordingly you have to go on solving. So now make the column for negation P disjunction Q. Negation P disjunction Q. So negation P disjunction Q. This you have to do. Okay. Negation P, disjunction Q. तो यहाँ पर disjunction में F होता है, otherwise T होता है. Okay. So this is what F. Write down here F. Otherwise, in all the conditions, it will be T. Is it clear? Is it clear? Negation P, disjunction Q में सब इतना ही देखना है. F लिख दो, otherwise true. Okay, good. Now the last column, that is, अब क्या बचा है, सिर्फ इसको हमें imply करना है इसके साथ. We got this thing. Now you have to find the implication of P with this. Okay, so you have to write down here P implies negation P, this thing, the last column. This will be the last column because this is what the statement pattern. See, this is very small question, so easily we can make the number of columns. अगर ज़्यादा रहते हैं, so instead of writing the complete statement, you can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so it will be easy for you. इतना बड़ा नहीं लिखकर 1, 2, 3, 4 लिख सकते हो, number of columns को denote कर सकते हो. Okay, so here it is P implies this. Okay, so this column implies this column. So implication, that is TFF, otherwise T. So is it, this will be T, TFF. This is also T. This is also T. So it means here your answer is TFTT. This is what the solution, that means answer of this statement pattern is this, TFTT. Okay, Aditya given me correct answer before only. Very good, Aditya. TFTT, you have given the correct answer. Okay, so this is what the solution. Like this you have to make the truth table of the statement pattern given, and then find the last column, that is last column will give you its truth value. Is it clear to everyone? This was the small question, but अगर lengthy भी है, no matter, like this only you have to do. Okay, now we'll see for the 3 statements. 3 statements का एक pattern देखते हैं. Okay, second one is for 2 statements only. See third one. I'm rubbing this. Okay, you all will be able to do, no? Otherwise, I'm providing you the videos also. Just note it down from that. Is it clear? We can continue. Third question. Question number first, third one. Okay, yes. Good. Question number first, third one, the statement pattern is P conjunction R implies P disjunction negation Q. P disjunction negation Q. This is what the question. Okay, P conjunction R implies P disjunction negation Q. It means here are 3 statements. यहाँ पर कितने statements हैं? 3 statements हैं. So this is the first question we are solving for 3 statements. Okay? Yes, good, Mayur. Number of rows will be 8. So there will be 8 number of rows. So just see here first of all how the pattern you are going to write now. P, Q and R. There are 3 statements. So first of all write down 3 statements. Now जैसे हमने 2 में किए थे T, T, F, F. Okay. So here what you do it like this. First of all, first column में write down 4 times T, 4 times F. 4 times T, 4 times F. ये लिख दिए. सेकेंड कॉलम में क्या पैटर्न ले लो, 2 times T, 2 times F, 2 times T, 2 times f. Okay, third column, that is third statement में tf, 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 tf. Okay, if you will write down like this, again here all the possibilities will come. Okay, like possibilities कितनी हो सकती हैं? TTT हो सकता है, TTF हो सकता है, then FFF हो सकता है. Like this it will be these number of possibilities, that is 8 possibilities. Okay, so कैसे करना है हमें? First statement में लिखो 4 times T, 4 times F. Second statement में लिखो 2 times T, 2 times F, 2 times T, 2 times F. Okay, third statement is TF, 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 like this. Okay, you can remember 4 2 1 गाना था ना, 1 2 का 4, 4 2 का 1. Okay, so you can remember like this, that is 4 2 1, or you can remember 1 2 4. So 4 2 1, 4 times T, 2 times T, 1 time T. Like this you can remember 4 2 1, 1 2 4. Is it clear? Is it clear? हाँ, Payal, we'll move towards the, what you are saying, 7 rows? No, 8 rows are there. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There will be 8 rows whenever there are 3 statements. 3 statements हैं तो rows होंगी 8. Okay? हाँ, Muskan, you are using Payal's ID. Okay, it's okay, but there will be 8 rows, Muskan. Having any doubt in this? How many rows? Is it clear to you, Muskan? 2 to the power 3. See how many statements are there? 3 statements are there. So 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So there will be 8 number of rows. That means 8 possibilities. Simple सी बात है, ध्यान करो ना. When you were doing the probability, in that coin को toss करते हैं 3 times. If you are tossing the coin 3 times, so how many possibilities? Total number of outcomes? It was 8. Okay, sample space में हम 8 लिखते भी थे. Same manner here. Now possibilities वो H और head और tail था. यहाँ T और F हो गया. Okay, tail T है, F यहाँ false है, वहाँ head और tail था, यहाँ T और F है. So same manner you have to do. Okay, so this is how you have to write down first of all the pattern. Okay, T 4 times T, 4 times F, 2 times T, 2 times F, then TF, TF, like this. Go on writing. So all the possibilities will be covered, and the same pattern is given in your book also. Is it clear? So if you are applying this pattern, okay, you can do by another pattern also. अगर हमें मन कर रहा है कि पहले वाले कॉलम में हम TF लिख ले, सेकेंड वाले कॉलम में हम TFF लिखें, so you can do like that also, no matter. ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट फिक्स्ड कि यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस ओनली, बट द थिंग इज दैट कि बुक में भी यही पैटर्न दिया है, एंड वेन एवर यू विल सॉल्व द बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस, बोर्ड सॉल्यूशंस, ओके, दे आर चेकिंग, सो इट इज़ ईजी फॉर चेकिंग कि हम कॉलम्स को फिर ईजिली वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं कि वॉट इज़ योर ट्रूथ वैल्यू एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, सो बेटर टू गो फॉर दिस पैटर्न. नाउ विल सी द लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स. अब कौन से लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स यूज हो रहे हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट वाले सॉल्व कर लेंगे. सो विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन P कंजंक्शन R, P कंजंक्शन R. ओके, सो P कंजंक्शन, अब कंजंक्शन का रूल है T अदरवाइज F. सो जस्ट राइट, सी हियर T TF F, T TF F, FTF, FFF, FTF, FFF. That means you have to just see that TT is T, TT is T, otherwise F. Go on checking. Carefully do it. Okay. अगर एक चीज यहाँ गलत हो जाती है, so your whole rest of the columns will be wrong. So very carefully find the truth values. Okay. So this is what P conjunction R. Now solve negation Q. You have to find first of all negation Q. So negation Q, that is TT, so FF, then FF, so TT, then TT, again FF, then FF, again TT. This is how first of all you will solve negation Q. Okay, negation Q. Now we want P disjunction negation Q. P disjunction negation Q. So P disjunction negation Q. That means this column and this column. Okay. Go on numbering the columns also. It will be easy for you to verify. So here you have to do the disjunction of column number 1 and column number 6. 1 और 6 का disjunction find करना है. Okay. So disjunction का rule है F F F otherwise T. So just see that. पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं F F F F F F. Nowhere F F. Okay. So that means rest will be T. Like this, write down F F F otherwise T. So just check F F कहाँ पर आ रहा है, कॉलम नंबर 1 और 5. 1 और 5 में 1 और 5 का हमें निकालना है डिसजंक्शन. सो जस्ट चेक कॉलम नंबर 1 और 5 में F F जहां भी आ रहा है. सो राइट डाउन F otherwise write down T. Is this clear to all of you? Till here is this clear? Just give me the indication till this column. Okay, good. Aditya. Now this is the 6th column. Now further, at last, this is the statement pattern. That means we found this thing and we found this thing also. Now for column number 4th and 6th. 4th and 6th will give you the answer. Okay. Column number 4 और 6 का हमें क्या निकालना है? Implication. Okay. So when you will find the implication of column number 4 and 6, you will get the answer of the statement pattern. Who is this? Hello? Saurabh. Okay, Saurabh, मैं अपनी आईडी से आया हूँ. It's okay. Just pay attention here. ठीक है. So 4th and 6th. So 4th और 6th में अभी हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? Implication. Okay. So 4th one and 6th one. That is implication. Implication will be T F F otherwise T. So just see T F F. That means here is no T F. T F है ही नहीं. T F का पैटर्न है ही नहीं. So all will be T. T F is F. That means T T is T. F T is also T. T T is also T. This one is also T. Okay. It means all the rows the answer is T. Is it clear? All the rows the answer is T. Okay. One thing I want to explain here. Here few more topics are given. First one is tautology. ठीक है. For statement pattern, the first one is tautology. The term tautology. The term tautology means when all the values are true. जब truth table में सारी values true आती हैं, then it is known as tautology. Is it clear? When in truth table all the answers are true, then it is known as tautology. Okay. Second term is contradiction. Contradiction. Okay. Contradiction means, अब contradict का मतलब क्या होता है? Opposite. है ना. Contradict कर रहा है, इसे याद रखो. Contradiction मतलब हमेशा opposite होता है ना. So T का opposite false. F. Okay. So when all the values are false, then it is contradiction. When all the values are true, then it is tautology. When all the values are false, then it is contradiction. Okay. Now it can be that, like in previous question it was coming T, F, T, T like this, है ना. So if it is mixed, few are T, few are F. So when it is some are T, some are F. Okay, so in that case it will be contingency. Contingency. Okay, contingency means when true and false, it is mixed. The answer is T also and false also. Is it clear? So here are three terms introduced in statement pattern. That is tautology, when all the values are true. Second one is contradiction, when all the values are false. Third one is either true or false mix आ रहा है, then it will be considered as contingency. So this exercise is completely based on this only. That is whether you have to verify it is tautology, contradiction or contingency. Okay, and like this you have to make the truth table for the statement pattern. This is the truth table for 3 statements. इससे ज़्यादा का आएगा नहीं. Okay, 4 statements का नहीं पूछता है. Is it clear? 3 statements का maximum रहेगा, either 2 और 3. 2 statements का रहेगा या फिर 3 statements का रहेगा. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear this question? I am rubbing this, and tautology, contradiction and contingency. These 3 terms you have to understand. Okay? Clear? Now we'll see few more questions. So in question number 1, you have to just find the truth values. That means you have to just make the truth table. Whether it is all the values T, all the values F, whatever. Okay. In question number 2, you have to prove or you have to tell. You don't have to prove, you have to tell whether it is tautology, it is contradiction or it is contingency. टोटोलॉजी है, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन है या कंटिजेंसी है, इन तीनों में से वो कौन सा सॉल्यूशन है दैट यू हैव टू टेल. ओके, तो कुछ नहीं करना है, सेम मैनर यू हैव टू मेक द टेबल एंड एट लास्ट वॉट एवर वैल्यूज यू विल गेट अकॉर्डिंगली फाइंड आउट वेदर इट इज टोटोलॉजी, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन और कंटिजेंसी. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. सो 5 minutes are left for the lecture. So we'll see question number 2, first one. Question number 2, first one. Q, disjunction, negation P. Okay, negation. Then P, conjunction Q. This is the question. You have to tell whether it is tautology, contradiction, contingency. Okay, so just go on making as there are 2 statements. So here will be only P and Q. So the pattern will be same, that is T, T, F, F. T, F, T, F. Okay. Now you have to make the columns according to the logical connectives. So first of all here, what you have to do? P conjunction Q. So P conjunction Q, that is T, 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 otherwise false. Okay, then you have to find the negation of this. That is P conjunction Q का negation निकालना है हमें. So negation of this is F, T, T, T. Now at last what you have to do? This thing only. That is Q के साथ में हमें इसका क्या निकालना है? डिसजंक्शन. Q disjunction this column. Okay, so Q disjunction this column, that is disjunction में F F F होगा, otherwise T. तो यहाँ कहीं पर भी F F नहीं है. That means all are true. It means this is tautology. It means question number 1, question number 2, first one is tautology. Yes, I got the answer. Good. I think so all of you are clear with this. Very easy exercise, no confusion in this exercise. Just go on solving. ठीक है, we'll continue this exercise only tomorrow. But then also you try maximum number of questions. Clear? Maximum number of questions इसके try करो, and if possible whatever doubts you are having just WhatsApp me in group related to this exercise. Okay, so that in which question you are having doubt, those questions only will solve tomorrow. ठीक है, otherwise by my own I am going to solve the questions, few questions. Okay, so in exercise 1.6 you have to tell this one. Many questions are given, till question number 7 I think so it is, because at last you have to prove it also. Question number जो last है, last question you have to prove LHS side is equals to RHS side or not. Okay, so we'll solve that type of question also tomorrow in this class only. Okay, yes, Khushi, got. Okay, so but you have to do the homework, you have to solve, otherwise you will forget the pattern how you have to solve. ठीक है, अदरवाइज याद नहीं रहता है ना पैटर्न. सो सेम मैनर m and n, अगर m और n को प्लस करके नहीं करना है, वैसा करना है वैसा करो, अदरवाइज यू कैन ईजिली डू वॉट एवर इज गिवन. इससे गलत नहीं होता है कभी भी, है ना. अकॉर्डिंगली वॉट एवर लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स आर गिवन यू कैन गो ऑन मेकिंग द कॉलम्स. ओके, एंड 3 टर्म्स आर वेरी सिंपल. टॉटोलॉजी, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन, कंटिजेंसी. रिमेंबर लाइक दिस, टॉटोलॉजी से टी याद ही रहता है, इट इज ट्रू. कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन से ऐसा याद रखो, कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है मीन्स अपोजिट है, दैट मीन्स फॉल्स, ऑल आर फॉल्स. एंड कंटिजेंसी, दैट मीन्स नॉट टॉटोलॉजी, नॉट कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन, इट मीन्स कंटिजेंसी. ओके, क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू, है ना. And I think so till now whatever we have done, all of you are clear with this. And if you are having any doubt, ask me in WhatsApp group. You can ask me personally also, or you can ask me in group also. ठीक है, some students are asking, like I am very happy Ayushi is asking regularly the doubt. I am very happy that you are studying and you are asking me the doubts, and I will clear your doubts definitely. But you should study and you should ask me. Then only I will come to know what you are having difficulties in solving the sums. Okay. Sometimes it may happen that answers are given wrong back also, it may happen, but we have to solve it properly. We have to inquire it properly whether the answer is given is correct or not. Then only we can move ahead. Okay, so no matter whatever answers you are getting, just ask me if you are having doubt in any answer. Is it clear? Okay, so here I am ending the lecture. Bye all of you. Many students attended the lecture, very good, I am very happy. So all of you again bye for today. ठीक है, okay, bye Parth, all the students.